The Cousin baby body lotion and baby body oil is great for kids and adult skin. It's 100% safe. The ingredients are pure and suitable for everyone to use. Hey guys, it's your girl Olive back at it again with another video. Without taking much of your time, let's just get right into the video. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a review on the Cussons baby body lotion and oil. I just got this lotion and the oil because it's Harmattan season and I would love to really give this product a try. One thing I love about this product is the price. I love the price. It's not too pricey. Like everyone can afford it. Everyone can, because it's super cheap and effective. So if you need something that would just moisturize and nourish your little one's skin, I will recommend this lotion. It doesn't have any side effects, so I'll be giving you all the ingredients and then telling you all how to use this lotion and the oil, how to pair it together. Now the Cousin baby lotion is a soft and smooth for soft and supply baby skin. It has almond and rose oil. I think this is made in Nigeria. It's made in Nigeria, and the main ingredients in this body lotion is the almond oil and then rose oil. Almond oil is very good is great for the skin, so I recommend, if you've damaged your baby skin with all these organic products or any bleaching products on your little one's skin, I recommend you start with this lotion. Almond oil nourishes and moisturizes skin. Then the rose oil is aromatic calming. It will help to calm your skin. Okay, so right here they said moisturizing and easy absorbing body lotion with soft floral scent to leave baby skin soft, smooth and supply. Let me show you how the texture is. Oh my god, like it's so lightweight and it will not be heavy on your little one's skin. I love the texture, I love the price, I love the ingredients. Is a yes for me. Now, how will you be pairing it with the body oil? The body oil, you will use it to seal in moisture when applying the body lotion. So when you pair it together, you're getting that moisturized and nourished skin for your little one. Now this oil has the same ingredients with the lotion. It has almond and rose oil. So the oil is also lightweight. You can see the glow. You can see the glow from the oil. I love pairing it together. Ever since I started using it this Harmattan season for my kids, they have not been complaining and they don't have any rashes on their skin. So I recommend this lotion if you're trying to recover your skin or your baby's skin from using all those harmful products on your skin. Okay, and one thing I love about this lotion is the packaging. I love, yeah, that is in pink. I think they have the blue one, but this pink one I love pink, and I love how small and cute it is. I love it so much. It comes in a 200 ml and I love the size. I've not seen a bigger size of this lotion. I don't really know the difference between the pink and the blue one, but this one is the one I'm currently using and I'm loving it. Will I get this product again? Yes, I will. I'll get it again because this oil and this lotion gives me that moisturized and glowing skin for my little one. Do let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this product and tell me if you're loving it or not. Just give me your review on the comment section. Okay, bye, see you on the next one.